Colorado's strengthened Warranty of Habitability Act imposes strict response timeframes for repair requests, making a documented maintenance request system essential for every Colorado landlord. Welcome to TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Here's how to use a maintenance request system effectively in Colorado. Under C.R.S, paragraph 38-12503, Colorado landlords must respond to emergency habitability issues within 24 hours and non-emergency issues within a reasonable time, which the statute now defines more specifically for certain categories of repairs. Missing these deadlines can give tenants the right to repair and deduct, withhold rent, or terminate the lease. Having tenants submit repair requests in writing creates a documented record of when notice was received, which starts the clock on your statutory obligation to respond. A maintenance request form that captures the date, the nature of the issue, and the location gives you a clear baseline. Log each request with the date received, the action taken, and the date of completion. This maintenance log demonstrates your responsiveness and protects you if a tenant later claims you ignored a repair request. Colorado's 2019 habitability reforms increased tenant remedies significantly. Documented responsiveness is your best protection. Our free Colorado maintenance request form is formatted for residential use and compatible with Colorado's habitability response requirements. For the free form and Colorado landlord resources, visit TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com.